Okay, here in the kitchen, you can see this cabinet is coming delaminated. And there's some holes from where something was in the cabinet there. And the cabinets are a little dirty. And there's a crack right there in the molding. And it's coming delaminated right there too. Okay, we'll check out these ones. And the same thing is happening actually down here. Right there. These ones look okay. Need a little scrubbing, but besides that, look okay.